Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use your Vibe blender to make a Mexican style black bean dip. This is another great way to use the Vibe blender to make yourself some healthy, fresh snacks at home. And this takes no time at all. Everything goes into the blender jug, 30 to 40 seconds, and we're done. This dip is great for sharing just with some corn chips. Put it on your family dinner table for Taco Tuesday. You can even cook it up with some cheese and serve it warm with your favorite fresh toppings. This dip is gluten-free and you can make it vegan by just leaving out the sour cream. I'm going to use tinned black beans today just for convenience, and I've just rinsed those off. You could definitely use dried black beans that you've soaked overnight and cooked. So everything can go into the blender jug at once. And we're going to start with 2 tins of black beans. Then 2 cloves of garlic, 1 large tomato roughly chopped, the juice of 1 lime, 2 fresh jalapenos with the seeds removed, 1 handful of coriander including the stems, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 tablespoon of sour cream. Insert the tamp into the lid and place the blender jug back onto the machine. Blend it on smoothie mode for around 30 to 40 seconds, using the tamp to push the ingredients down into the blades. So next time you have guests over and you're in a rush, that's the dip that you're going to serve. Made in the Vibe blender in under a minute, super easy. The blender has done the best job of getting the perfect texture for this dip, and we hope you love it. Let us know how you go at home if you make it for yourself in the comments section below. And if you want to check out the warm, cheesy version, which is so good, then check out the blog post which I've linked down below. If you want to see more of our Luvele life recipes, then make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss out, and give the video a like today if you enjoyed it. We'll catch you again really soon for another recipe.